Hello and welcome to this unboxing and review of the Hotline 16,000 power bank. This product started out as a Kickstarter, which I backed. This started out the RepliTronics line. There's also another product that I also backed at the same time that was shipped at the same time as this one. I'll do a separate video unboxing review of that product. But this is by New Wave Toys. They're the manufacturer who does the, if you see those mini arcades back there, that Street Fighter and Tempest, they do those, produce those. But this is their RepliTronics line, and you can see this is a replication of the Sony Walkman, the original Sony Walkman that came out back in the 79 and 80. So it's pretty neat that they actually came out with this little power bank, kind of throwback, the retro kind of, just a replica of a Sony Walkman, a cassette player. And for people who don't know what they are, for the younger generations, they are cassette players. Back in the day, they were the prelude to the iPods, I guess. But here's the starter guide. It's the rest of the pages here are in different languages. So the first page is all in English, and you can see it's New Wave Toys. And but yeah, it's all the specs and all that good stuff for any manual. So let's take this little styrofoam top out and see what we got here. And it's to the main product to the right and the USB micro USB cable to the left. So nicely packed well. So yeah, this actually, when I saw this, that they were going to put this on Kickstarter, I was like, oh, gotta have this. This is definitely neat little nostalgia. I mean, I've owned several Walkmans in the back in the day. I mean, I don't know if I actually had a Sony Walkman, but I remember having a Toshiba one, similar, but never owned this particular Sony Walkman at all. So kind of nice that they did this. You can kind of see the fit and finish on this is really nicely done. Everything on it, the quality, you can see even down to the replica, to the buttons and those sliders on there. And there is the 10-watt wireless charging pad on the rear of the unit. So yeah, really nice. I mean, it's a nice plastic casing. Looking at the bottom of it, kind of showing all the specs, and not the specs, but just all the little details on there. And then let's look at the top of the unit. You kind of see the inputs, and you can see the power button, the yellow one there, and a little LED light there, and just the inputs and outputs for the different charging cables, the USB, the output to charge in your phone and what have you. But yeah, these are not, they look like they're functioning, but they serve no function at all. It's just if you want to fidget away with those, as the starter, the manual states, everything actually, you can press it here, you can see it. It's kind of nice that they add this little detail to the product. Even the little sliders actually work. So yeah, there's no functionality in those plastic buttons, but it's pretty neat that they actually made them look like they work. And you can see the front, kind of nice that they actually had that door open up, but that was just probably not going to be feasible with the product they had it. But let's just take this little plastic protective film off the door and kind of see the little faux cassette, little spindle wheels in there, and all that good stuff. So it's pretty cool that they emulate, looks like the real Walkman, but as a power bank. So let's from the factory, it's actually charged. I did turn it on, but we'll just make a full charge. We'll connect the USB cable here and to a power strip, and kind of show you, once you plug it in, it's all the lights, LED lights light up. Each of those green LED lights represent, like, if you had one LED light, it'll show you got 25% charge of that battery, 2 will be 50%, and so forth. And another neat little feature that's included on this, and you can see there on I just pointed out, there's a little blue LED light. That indicates that it's ready for wireless charging. So let's just put this iPhone on here, and there it is. You can kind of see, if you look at, yep, and then there's it's showing it's charging. So I did try to put it on earlier, and it took a little while to register it, but I think maybe because I had the case on the iPhone. But you can also charge it with a USB cable as another option too. Another neat little feature that's also included, which is a nice little bonus. You hit the power button for maybe 1 to 2 seconds, and then you also have a built-in flashlight. So kind of cool that they added that little flashlight feature to it too. And then you hit the power button again for 1 to 2 seconds, and it turns it off. So yeah, overall, it's definitely a nice little unit. I'm probably gonna play with it a little bit more. But here you can see I just kind of set it aside to a Unitech little speaker system that I used to use for my Walkmans back in the day, my little portable cassette players. So I thought it'd be kind of neat to show that in that little space. So overall, please do share the video. I definitely would recommend this product if you want to look into a good power bank. They do have it available on New Wave Toys website. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for future videos. And I will see you all in the next one. Take care.